Hello viewers, I'm back for another video. Now today, as I've promised, I've bring back some interesting content on my channel. And this time, I can promise you, it's going to be interesting because as you can see, what I'm going to drive today. This thing is basically the Honda Lawnmower, the one who break the land speed record for lawnmowers. And I'm going to drive it around the Macau Grand Prix circuit for 3 laps against 29 maxed out AIs. Now, the story starts from a few days ago when I watched Jimmy Broadbent's video on he's driving his lawnmower in a multiplayer server around Monaco, and it seems very interesting. And I thought to myself, why don't I drive this thing? But around the Asian Monaco circuit, which is the fearsome Macau Grand Prix circuit, which is known as one of the most difficult and dangerous circuit on the planet. So, uh, yeah, what could possibly go wrong? I didn't do too much practice in this thing, nor the track. Yeah, wish me luck. 3 laps around the Macau Grand Prix circuit. As now we're seeing all 6 lights, red lights up, and it's a lights out, and away we go. And already we are seeing some accidents at the start. They probably realized that they forgot to lawn their back gardens back in their house. As we now coming through turn 1 for the first time. And as you know, the AIs in ACC are super racy, so you can expect them to cause quite a lot of accident. Especially with mods, I just realized. So we're going to brake a bit earlier for this corner. Fearsome turn 3. And yep, we're already seeing someone facing the barrier as we shunt it into another Honda and sending him into the shadow realm. Anyway, we are through and we're now up into the hills. Slow down for this corner, and there's another guy. Send it into the barriers, almost flipping his car. As we come around this corner, trying to slip down the inside of the AI, and now almost going around the outside of him. And we got past him. Just keep myself away from the barriers. And the back end just steps out. As you can see, this car has no traction control or ABS, so it could be a bit of an issue trying to control this thing now as we go down the inside of the AI. Barely got the move done. Now, we had to slow down there. The back ends just keep stepping out. Now, usually you can't overtake into this hairpin, not in AC. As we barge our way through in the hairpin, usually we can't overtake, or we can't overtake into the hairpin in real life because they have a permanent yellow flag around there because it's too narrow. But the lawnmower, it's slim and tiny, and it's okay to do overtaking, and it's got more than enough steering ratio left to complete that corner in one piece. As we now slide our way out of the last corner, starting the lap 2, coming around turn 1 this time, not quite full throttle. You can full throttle in a GT or Formula 3, not in this. was also a hell of a lot of fun. At the same time, can we do a Ricardo dive bomb down the inside? No, looks like the AI did break as late as us. And now going up the hill as he goes slightly and slip down the inside of him. And we're through, and he just launched the fence. And so did I. Almost got into the barrier there. So now carefully control the throttle and the brake and the steering through this section. It's one of the most difficult sections for sure. And oh my god, the car's all over the place. Into this corner where there is a massive crash back in 2017's GT Championship around Macau. So we now get a hint of oversteer before the hairpin. Now into the hairpin we go. Steering, easily make it through that hairpin. See, this thing should be racing around Macau, because with this thing, Macau seems so wide now. It's no longer narrow, and you can actually overtake racing this thing now. Almost got into the barriers. Now we're 4th place. Let's see if we can manage to get ourselves a podium in this race. Slightly drifting from behind the corner. Now starting our final lap. Let's see if we can get ourselves a podium. That was almost full throttle through there. Oh wait, we are up into 3rd place, looks like. Quite do it with full throttle, and almost send it myself. Man, to keep ourselves in one piece. As we go round the outside of the AI there, and he is now facing the wrong way. That shows how difficult and dangerous this track is. This track is that kind of track that when you're not focusing, you get sent into the shadow realm. And yeah, I might have squeezed the AI a bit too much. Anyway. So we overtake the race leader. And now we are officially leading this race. As long as I don't crash on my own. I literally said that about seconds ago, and then anyway, we can still see the race leader. And oh, we made a bit of contact with the race leader, give him back the position where we can. As we slide through this corner and make our move up into the lead, drift our way out. Get through the hairpin perfectly. guys. This is so much fun. Oh my god. Touching the barriers there and across the line. And we've won the race. The Lawn Mowing Grand Prix. There we go. So, yeah. That was hell of a lot of fun. Even though it's chaotic, it's dangerous, it's hell of a lot of fun. And I can tell you, this is already a better event than F1. You would rather watch this over that. But, jokes aside, that was a fun video. And I hope you enjoyed that as well. And I'll try my best to make interesting videos like these becoming in the future. Sorry, I messed up my sentence there. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my content, then please subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.